Good morning. Beautiful day so far, but rain coming up for sure. Anyway, let's go back to this bedroom. I had a nice rest, really enjoyed it. How about you? You wanna come here? No, you can't come here because I walk on you. You miss me? Okay, to put another panel there. But I made a mistake, something, see? It's got two slots cut on two different positions because I made a mistake. But the one not supposed to be cut is here, so I will add up after. And epoxy or something. So let's put that in. In the meantime, I just give Bella pepper because she had the pen before, but this is what she was doing. Yeah, she's naughty. Oh, very good. That's it, you pack up? You finished? You pack up? She go like this. She copy me. Oh my love, what she's doing, my love, she's working hard. Your baby already painted the whole porch, but that's okay. I'm sure we can clean it. It's good to see everybody busy in the house. And look at this one. Very hot. So cute. Oh, you folded? Oh, that's a nice folding. What are you gonna do? Throw? She gonna do? No, don't write in your dress. Like, good. So we're gonna do with this paper. I'm curious. Ah, that's a secret drawer, I know. She put all her stuff there, or whatever she grabbed. My old hat is there too. Yeah, you're very good, very well organized. Little clown. Yeah, nothing straight here, so I have to use a lot of putty, especially here. Look at this. Skim cut's not gonna hold, so it's gonna have to be epoxy. terrible. Because room are not square. Up there looks alright on the edge, all along, no problem. I'd rather have the gap up there maybe than here, but it's too late, it's already screwed on. That's it. Oh. Okay, let's install the light now, just here. It's not sharp anymore, I need to buy a new one, but okay, all this side's done now as far as HardiFlex panel is concerned. Still plenty of work, but it's up there. Now, I'm gonna put some more support there, and then we'll put the boards on this side. Let's do that. That's a Spanish style mashed potato Jam's doing. She do it extremely nice, delicious, better than me now. And she had a few herbs. Yeah, excellent. I'm looking for the T-bone steak, but we don't have. She's tired, so I'm gonna do the dishes after. You like it? I think she does.
Yeah.
That's nice, my love. Well done.
Yummy, yummy.
You want coffee? She give me thumbs up. He's so cute. Yeah, I don't want to sleep on the floor anymore. So I'm cleaning the bed and bring it here for now. Okay, my love? Okay. a little bit.
Baby.
I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way a little bit.
Huh? Ish, ish, do, do, do. What you doing there? That smell. Huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, the door. No.
First.
Again? Okay, maybe with the alcohol?
On the cut sheet.
Move, my love.
Kiss me
Move,
back.
gorgeous.
Kiss
Whoa.
me. This. Slowly.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. How's that guitar? Okay, done all clean around as well. Now I'll be able to get up easy. Before it's so hard to get up from the floor. Okay, that's done. My daughter's a professional.
Mic test. Mic test. No. Enough.
No.
Hello, mic test. Okay.
Is the microphone working? She tap it. Good morning. Lovely morning. I will see later if the grass is not too wet. We'll do some cutting. I need to clean up a bit the veranda. It's so messy. And then we'll hopefully can do some work on the ceiling of the main bedroom. I'm sure the other things will come back in the middle of the day. The girls are having a nice tinola. Very healthy. Super hot now. Continue later in the day or whatever. I go back work in the bedroom. Okay, back here. Wait to put those support on this side all along here, and that's how that But not much I can do today. We need to go to dentist right after lunch. Okay, I won't do much more today, so thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye bye.